Hi, we are doing exercise 6C question number 23, which says that A and B have some pencils, right? If A gives 10 pencils to B, then B will have twice as many pencils as A, right? And if B gives 10 pencils to A, then they will have the same number of pencils. How many pencils does each has? Now such question, what we will do, we know that we will assume let A have X pencils and B have Y pencils. Now according to the information given, A gives 10 pencils to B. That means, so A will have how many pencils? A minus 10 pencils, and B will have X minus 10 pencil, and B will have Y plus 10 pencil. B will have. Now we know what is the information. Now if A gives 10 pencils to B, so A will have 10 pencils less and B will have 10 pencil more. Then B will have twice as many pencils as A. That means B के पास जितना pencil will be 2 times the pencils of A. Now what will be the equation? B has Y plus 10 pencils now. So Y plus 10 will be equal to 2 times X minus 10. Now we will solve this. This will become Y plus 10 is equal to 2x minus 20, that is y minus 2x is minus 20 minus 10, that is y minus 2x is equal to minus 30. This becomes your equation 1. Now the second information. If B gives 10 pencils to A, now the second case, B gives 10 pencils to A. That means B has less 10 pencils, Y minus 10, and A has more 10 pencils, that is X plus 10. This is A's pencil and this is B's pencil. They will have the same number of pencils. That means A's pencil will be equal to B's pencil. That means Y minus 10 is equal to X minus 10. Again we will solve it, get all the variables on one side and all the constant on the other side, right? This is plus 10 plus 10. So y minus x turns out to be 20. This is your equation 2. Now we will solve equation 1 and equation 2. Let's write it down. Y minus 2x is equal to minus 30 and y minus x is equal to 20. We can see the coefficient of y is same. What we will do, we will change the sign of the second equation. That means we will subtract the second equation from the first one. That is, we'll change the sign of the second equation. So this will become plus and this will become minus, right? Now y and y will get cancelled. Y minus y 0. Minus 2x plus x becomes minus x, plus minus minus, and x will have a minus sign because 2x is greater than x. Same way minus, now 20 is not plus, it's minus. So minus minus plus 30 plus 20 is 50 with the minus sign because 30 has a bigger sign. So we'll cancel this x minus. So x has 50 pencils. Now we'll get the value of y. Now what was it? We can put the value of x in equation 2. That is y minus x is equal to 20, which is y minus 50 is equal to 20. So y is 50 goes to the other side. 20 plus 50 is 70. That's it.